Hello and welcome back to Sample Genie. This is Enta, and today we're going to be making a Neuro funk style bass line completely from scratch using primarily Serum 2 and Massive. We're going to be bringing together lots of different synthesis techniques, including wavetable synthesis, using Serum 2's spectral oscillator, the granulator, some fun resampling techniques you can do to get some like glitchy effects, writing a sub bass, and then how you can put this all together to create a really interesting and complex groove. You can get some really interesting and weird and unique sounds out of them. And then we're going to mix it. Cool, let's get started.